folks, I have a really cool short scale 5-string to show you today. This is number 834. So this is one of those instruments inspired by my personal banjo, where it's a maple rim and a mahogany neck, and then it's stained all to match. And I first kind of envisioned that as a really low-key, rustic way to make a banjo, and over time it's just developed into not low-key and not rustic. But it's, you know, I just like making things as beautifully as I can. So anyway, this is my short scale 5-string, so it's an 11-inch rim with a 20-inch scale. This customer chose non-steel strings and it's tuned to open G. And the rim is all maple, and about a big chunk of it's curly. It's got some nice curly pieces in there. Stained maple, it looks good with the brass. And then the neck is mahogany. And then they share the same stain, so they match really well. And I like the lighter weight of the mahogany neck with the heavier maple rim. It's got a little brass tone ring in it. And then we chose Crazy Pistachio. This has got tractor blight and a graft and sapwood in the same situation, which looks great. Armrest and then synthetic head. So. Yeah, this is really fun to play. When I first started making these, I was worried that like this kind of proportions, the symmetry would be off, but it just really fits nice in my body and my lap. It's plenty loud and bright, but it's mellow with the non-steel strings and the shorter scale. So this is for a customer who's been playing ukulele a long time, and she loves playing clawhammer. And this will be her first real banjo, so I'm looking forward to seeing what she comes up with. Number 834. Thanks a lot.